Yo. All right, today is July 13th, 2026. Okay. Um, let's get to it. So, BlackRock has been accumulating a lot of houses. They have earnings coming out. United Airline got an airline came out yesterday. Not yesterday, last Friday. Netflix comes out this week. Okay. Today's like no major news today, but we do have earnings. Right. We also have um sorry, today's no major earning today, but this week we do have major news. We got um the new chairman. I believe he's the new chairman. Is talking tomorrow at 10 a.m. and Wednesday at 10 a.m. All right, so it's gonna be interesting. Yes, last Friday was it? They had the minutes. No, last Wednesday they had the minutes. Didn't seem like nothing came of it, but speaking this week, and yeah, that's about it. All right, so I'm gonna quickly set up my charts. I don't really want to spend too much time setting up, but god darn, man, Nasdaq been doing a lot, right? All right, so let's get to it. It's this one here. All right, trying to see if the NQ can finish closing this gap. Gapped up right down here. It's kind of like where it needs to be. All right, been trying to get there. Okay. So let's go little by little. We're gonna go to the 30-minute chart, delete anything we need to delete. If I didn't delete it the other day, I didn't delete anything yesterday. I did have this open up yesterday, but I didn't delete anything. So this level here was very keen. I was trying to go short on Friday, but then I ended up with a break even loss. I'll take that. I was trying to get down to here, and the price went down to there, all right, and then bounce. So I was aiming for here. Price went down lower. I think I was aiming for here to here, about yeah, about 20 points. And then price went the extra mile, right? And like in a flash news event. So I'm going to try to quickly review the week, review the days, get rid of some of these things here, right? All right, this can move. This can go. I'm gonna move that one over. Come on, hurry the hell up. Putting this bitch forever, right? All right, where is this one here? All right, cool. And then the low is down here. And then this is the pre-market lows over here. But I'm gonna delete these, and I can always make more. All right. I'm gonna get settlement price real quickly. Oh shit! You don't say. That was the 10th. So let's bring it down to the 10th. Right there. All right. Bam. All right. All right. There's settlement price. So definitely keep an eye on here. All right. We'll keep an eye on that. All right. So let's probably use this one here for the weekly high. Let's go to the week. All right, so that one's not broken. Try that there. Got the weekly low. All right, so it's a pretty big ass. Actually not that big, 160. It's still big enough to be big. 160 points is a lot. Okay. Go to the day. 4-hour. So we're holding this 4-hour level. Alright. It's not a fresh one, so we're not gonna pay too much mind. 30 minutes. I do have one down here. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. 15. 5 minutes. Alright, so we got that. Let's go to line chart. Alright. So we got big movement, drop. We probably tested this here. Definitely volume here. And then we'll keep an eye on this one here. All right, we're gonna mark this like this one like that. All right. $30 points, 30-point move. All right, we're gonna go to the 50 and see. That price really fucked that shit up, huh? So I'm not really feeling that anymore. Go back to the 75. I still got the bottom part. Are we really holding this bottom like that? No. Okay. So maybe price will come back down to here. Let's go to 25. Alright, so we can fucks with that. So let me check this out one more time. So we're gonna make this like this. 50. Just such a big range. 25. Alright, just keeps going down. At least that one kind of stopped right there, right? And 20. Alright, so I'm definitely gonna be eyeballing this area. This one maybe because it's the high. Alright. but we're gonna keep an eye on this area here. See if we can get a rejection down to here. But this one is a high, so we're gonna respect that high. All right. Let's go back to the candle chart now. All right. You see how price came back to this 75 and sold off. Let's go to the 50. All right, came to this 50 block and sold off. Highlight this much. All right, and then yeah, all right, so I'm definitely keeping an eye on this area right here. All right, this is the area I'm really interested in. See if we can get a short out of this. This one here got to come back a little lower. 75, see if I didn't. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. All right, I'm gonna aim for that area down here. Okay, so that's basically my levels. I'm good. Yeah. All right, let's go to NQ. The same for NQ. I'm gonna take some stuff away. All right. NQ seems to have cleared this gap. And it's below whatever low it was at before. The high is probably this one here, that one. And then the low is going to be here. And we're actually back at the low. And then we're going to have settlement price. May have not been touched. It was touched. All right, got settlement price. Okay. All right, now let's add the weekly high and low. Let's go to the week. All right. Got a day, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. 15, 5. Okay. Let's go to the main chart. We're gonna go 9 150 just to see what we're working with. And then we know we do candles charts, right? So here. Got this here. Let's look at it from I feel blind from this. Right? I don't know, I just felt blind looking at it that way. Let's zoom out. A lot of volume right here. It's about like that, all right? Okay. All right, and then let's go to VIX. Go to the 30-minute time frame. It's high. Set this low. Go to the week. To the 30. Let's go to the tick chart. Look at the 2. Okay. All right, pretty much done. Okay. Kind of what we're rocking with right now. Okay. So my high level is gonna be this one right here, and my low level is gonna to be this one right here. Kind of levels I'm dealing with right now. So yeah. All right. That's it for today. Market opens up in about 8 minutes, 9 minutes. I'm gonna go take a shower and come back to this. All right. I'm gonna let the market do its thing. I'm not gonna rush anything. I want to shower. I want to have that in my brain while trying to trade. All right. I don't want to be thinking about anything. So yeah. Other than that, I'm gonna holler at you laters. Get my thing opened up. Top step thing open up. It's open. Should I also eat something? Okay. All right, so that's gonna be open up like that, and then this one's gonna be here. This. There we go, and that's gonna be 5 minutes. Yeah. All right. Put that. And we're gonna put this one here. That way we can see what's all going on down at the bottom. All right. I'm gonna make this a little lighter. It's hard to really see this. Not sure how much this is going to help, but let's see. Okay. All right. I'm out. I'll holler at you later. Bye.